you're not accounting for the growth of that business because you are ruining that business. You don't even know how much you're spending. You don't even know whether you're making profit or not. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Makari's Cakes here, and you guys, on this channel I teach cake recipes, cake decorating, cake baking, the business side of baking, and every other things that is related to cakes. Okay, so please do well to like the video, subscribe to my channel, give this video a massive thumbs up. Also, I have beautiful cake amazing recipes that you can check on my channel, the business side of baking as well. Just go to my channel and check for some beautiful content that will inspire you and give you growth to your business. Okay, so guys, in this video I'll be sharing one or two important factors that I feel that can harm your business, and if you don't take action towards this, trust me, you're gonna see your business getting ruined at the end of the day, of which I know that you don't want your business to get ruined after investing so much effort, finance and everything. Okay, so if it's something you're really interested to watch, I want you all to sit back, relax and enjoy this video till the end. The one important factor that can really harm your business growth is you eating your business finances. See, I've said on my channel that the difference between you where you have your personal funds and your business funds. You as a business owner, you are working for your business. Because it's your business doesn't mean that you should be eating your business money. Do you understand? You are working for your business. You need to understand that you are the employee, in as much that in your head and in the eyes of other people, you are the owner of the business, you are the CEO of the business, you are the one running the business. You yourself need to understand that you are working for the business because you want the business to grow in terms of funds, in terms of structure, like in terms of a lot of things. So if you're a new business owner and you're just starting your business, I know that the funds of a thing can be so quite overwhelming, and trying to grow your business funds is very, very hard. But one thing I like to tell people is that as a new business owner, I always advise that try to create a business account for your business. Separate your business funds with your personal funds and that of your business fund, because trust me, you guys, these two funds are different. They are different. You don't just say because I'm owner of the business and then I'll go and take my business money and go and buy shoe for myself, or go and buy bag for my daughter, or go and buy school items for your children. Even if at all you want to buy all these things, you need to take from your personal funds. That's why as a business owner, you that is doing the business, you need to place yourself on a salary. Don't just say it's my business, let me go and take money as I like. No, you're not accounting for the growth of that business because you are ruining that business. Separate your business funds, have a personal account and have a business account. And even though you don't have maybe you want to sponsor something for your children, for your husband or for your lover, and you don't have money in your personal funds, fine, it's okay to borrow money from your business funds, and then sponsor whatever thing you want to sponsor for your personal self. Then but you need to understand that you have to refund that business money, because that's the money you're using to grow your business. That's the money you're using to restock materials. That's the same money you're going to use to pay staff, pay for light and a lot of things. You understand? The moment you have this mentality and this mindset in your head, trust me guys, the better for you, because you're going to see yourself being disciplined on how you use your funds. A lot of business owners today, they squander their business funds. To them it's not really intentionally, because we all know what the country is like today. Some people, because they are in charge of their accounts, to them it's really, really easier for them to go to the app, transfer money, this and that. But like I said before, if you train yourself to be disciplined, not to touch your business fund, trust me guys, you're going to see yourself your funds growing. That's why I said before, have two different accounts. Pay yourself salary. Don't just say it's my business, let me go and pay myself 200,000. Well, it's fine, you can pay yourself even 1 million from your business if your business is making such a lot of amounts of money. But if your business is not really making up to 7 figures in a year, or something, I feel like is you are left alone to to know the type of amount you're going to pay yourself. Not just because it's your business, you can't pay yourself so much money. Yes, you might deserve it, but if that business is still a growing business, you should know the particular type of amount that you should pay yourself, okay, every month. Now, when you pay yourself every month, take that money from there and sort out whatever personal things that you want to sort out. Then, if that personal fund is not really enough for you, if your salary is not enough for you, then you know that you have to work hard to get more money. Oh, yes. If, for instance, you guys are paying yourself every month 20,000, 40,000, and to you that money is not enough, it's not left for you to work hard, right? It's not left for you to do sponsored ad for your business. It's not left for you to market, like put more pressure to market your business, because the thing is that you need more money. Everybody wants more, nobody wants less. You understand? Everybody wants more, everybody wants to grow. So pay yourself, you guys. Don't touch your business, because that is one important factor that will ruin your business. And this has really ruined a lot of people's business, because they feel like they don't really know where to get money from to to take care of personal things. Because even as a business owner, you want to see do some personal things, you want to travel, you want to enjoy yourself. Now, I'm not saying that it's not really a bad thing to take small funds, and because you have worked hard, right? But however, don't let that mindset get stuck to your head, because if it gets stuck into your head, you see yourself doing that thing next month, next 2 months, next 3 months. Now, what I mean is that, for instance, now you have made so much money in your business, you have made like 5 million naira for that month, and you want to say, okay, let me take like 1 million naira to go and buy hair. Do you understand? Like, why would we take 1 million to go and buy it in the first place? Anyway, it's your money, so what do I care? But I'm giving an example, right? You made 5 million that month in sales, and you're like, okay, let me just take 1M to go and buy hair. Now, to you, that 1M might not be a lot, because you feel like, okay, in the next month I will still make another 5 million. Now, the thing is that if you let that mindset get stuck into your head, you see yourself spending more, not only for yourself but for other people as well, because you feel like, okay, it's small, let me not take another one. No. But if you discipline yourself, okay, let me take this 1 million and put it in my personal account, let me manage that money. If you keep managing that money very, very well, and at the end of the month you spend that money to family, friends, and don't come and keep asking you again, please, I need money, you tell them that you don't have money, because for you have a budget. Like, you budgeted that, okay, this money is for myself and for family expenses. You understand? I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying, but what I'm saying is that as a business owner, you need to discipline yourself in terms of your funds, in terms of how you spend money. In conclusion, you guys, my point here is that separate your business funds. Separate your business money from your personal funds. Have a different account. If you have a business, then go and create a business account for your business, so that you can know how much you're making, you can know how much you're losing. Because you guys, if you're eating your business money, trust you, you don't even know how much you're losing. You don't even know how much you're spending. You don't even know whether you're making profit or not. Now, your business profits, you can use that to invest back in your business. Not be eating it, why not invest it back? I don't know if I'm making sense, you guys. One bad thing about eating your business money is it makes you not to track your sales. It makes you not even track your expenses. It makes you not even track your profit, because you have this chance and so much right to go to your business app to collect money. Now, I want to really introduce something to you guys that can really help you track your sales, track your expenses. There's an app that I use for my business, whereby even if I'm not able to go to my spreadsheet, to record my sales, because for me, I don't use anything exercise books or anything manual to record my sales, because those things are not really there's a word for it, like you guys, you cannot really get an accurate an accurate record for to record your sales. But with this app of a thing, everything is being stored on the cloud. Like, it was the time I put up a video here on how to how I do teach you guys how to cost your cakes. I use a spreadsheet for that. And with that spreadsheet, even though you lost your phone, you can always access that spreadsheet on your Gmail at any point in time. That's because it's been saved on the cloud. You understand? So for my sales, I always track my sales using a particular app. With that, I don't get to use anything paper or book. And even though maybe I don't have time to key in my sales into my spreadsheet or my system. When I use that app on my phone, I just like whenever I get an order, I go straight to that my app on my phone. I just track the sales there, and then maybe at the end of the month, whenever I have time, enough time, I now have to transfer it there into my spreadsheet. You understand? So my point here is that with that app, you get to track your sales, your expenses, like everything is always there. Whenever you have time, you just go to that place at your you just go to the app there. You track all the records you've made, like all the sales you made for that month, and all the expenses you did for that month. Like, you guys, this app is so super easy. This app will help you to sum the total amount you've made for that month. This same app will help you to sum up your total expenses. Like, you get to know how much profit you're making. I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying. So if you really want to know more about this app, like if you really want to learn how to use this app, because you guys, this app is super stress-free. It's so amazing, it's beautiful. I'm going to create a link whereby you can join my waitlist. And you guys, it's not free, trust me. It's a very simple short online course. I'm going to teach you how to use this app for your business, how to track your sales. For instance, somebody bought a product from you, okay, and then you just go to the app to record it. It will just be there. You understand? And at the end of the month, you get to know how much you made. So you don't start like recording on a paper or on a size board that will get missing tomorrow. Do you understand? So it's not for you guys. It's a very short, simple course. This app, you guys, you can use it on your phone, and also you can use it on your laptop as well. But for me, I use my phone a lot of times for this, to track my sales. So please, really interested. Like I said before, it's not free. It's really affordable for you to pay. Like I said, it's not really expensive for your business now. Come on. So if you really want to learn how to use app, you guys, click on the link on the description of this video. The link is there. Click on it and then join the wait list. So on that wait list group, I'm going to share the information, so everything you need to know about the app. Okay. So guys, that's it. If this video is for all business owners, whether you're a cake business owner, you're a fashion designer, you are a food seller, like as far as you're a business owner, this video is for you. So I want you to pay attention, because as far as you're controlling money, as far as you're the one that's controlling your business, this video is for you. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you learned a lot from this video. One thing is for you to know the type of mindset that you have for your business fund. It's very important. Discipline yourself, have a good mindset, have a good mentality. These three things are really important for you to grow your business fund, because things that as a business owner, if you really don't have money to restore, it means that your business is crumbling. That's what it means. Even if you're not really paying yourself, but have money to always restock materials, especially if you're in the production part or manufacturing part of a business. You understand? Make sure that there's funds for you to restock. It's very important, because where you go back, they say if you don't get money to come, they restock materials, then you don't say your business don't they buy small. My business is not buying in Jesus' name, amen. But guys, I'm just I'm just telling you guys the truth, like being honest about what I said. If you really don't have funds to restock in your business anytime, it means that something is wrong with your business. That's because probably you're mismanaging funds somewhere. There's no records, there's no tracking of sales. That's why I said, if you really want to know more about please click on the link on the video description and join the waitlist to get this app for your business. Okay, so guys, I know I've said a lot in this video. I said I'm not going to waste your time, but it's me here talking a lot. That's because I love to talk a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you really enjoyed this particular video. Let me know if you learned a thing or two here in this video. So please like the video, share the video to your other business owners, your friends. Let them learn from this video. Share, comment, like. Please watch my art. Please watch my art, so I beg you, because if you don't watch it, YouTube will not pay me. Yes, I'm saying it. Please watch my art. Okay, thanks for your support, thanks for your like, your share, your comment. If you have watched this point, I really appreciate you a lot. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna see you on the next one. Stay happy, stay joyful, and stay fabulous. Bye guys.